The materials that we need for this project are Arduino UNO, vibration sensor, LED, breadboard, and jumper wires. First, connect the sensor VCC pin to 5V, digital pin to D2, and ground pin is grounded. Connect one end of the resistor to LED anode and the other end to D5. Then, connect the LED cathode pin to ground. Verify and upload the Arduino code. If the sensor senses the vibration, LED will on, an alert message will be displayed in the serial monitor.